Hi, my name is Valerie Alwes, a clinician at Myer Hospital. At first, they come when they are not aware of anything about their health, but after talking to them, advising them, and screening them, taking them through the screening, they come to realize that indeed wellness is important. Most of the people who are not aware of their blood pressures, muscle cholesterol, they hesitate in that they don't want to know that they have the condition. Yes, of course, I enjoy and I interact with them. They also learn a lot. There's just a random checkup of the blood sugars and the blood pressures. But for us, when they come here, we do more other tests, of which they always appreciate, and they get the results on time. Okay, first when they come, they usually go at the receptionist, where they get registered for their insurance. From there, they are taken to the triage. There, we monitor their weight and other body water count and everything. Then from there, they go to lab, where they get tested for the lipid test, blood pressure, blood sugars, UCs, LFTs, and CBCs. From the lab, we usually take them to the clinicians, where we advise them, we ask them whether they have got other chronic infections. From there, we also advise them and talk to them. From there, they visit with the nutritionist, where they are being taught how they should monitor their lifestyle and other things. We also have the dental department and physiotherapy department. Prevention is better than cure, and the earlier the better. So come one, come all, know your status, know everything about your life, changing your lifestyle and everything.